Hey, today I've got a cool video brought to you by yours truly, Paul Facey, the digital marketing specialist. And today it's about showing you how to verify your domain in ChatGPT, and you will do this from your OpenAI console. So we're going to first go to our settings in ChatGPT. We're going to scroll down to build a profile. As you can see in the screen, we're gonna, first of all, you could choose to verify your profile through LinkedIn, GitHub, or Twitter or X. I'm choosing to do a domain because I do not want to link my LinkedIn or X profile to my ChatGPT for now. So you're gonna go ahead and select new domain, add the domain. You want to add your domain without the www, so not like that, right? I'm gonna take that out, just the domain. Then I'm gonna go ahead and submit. It's gonna tell me I need to add this text record. And right off the bat, I can see that there's something missing. Usually, whenever someone's telling you to add a text record, they're gonna provide you with a value name. And you'll see what I'm talking about. In this instance, there is no value name. So let's see how this is gonna work. So I'm gonna copy that, and I'm gonna go back now to my DNS manager, and I'm using name hero. If you're using another host like HostGator or Namecheap or any other the popular hosting platforms out there, you might see something that's called DNS manager, just plain old DNS, right? But under name here, you're going to go into domains and you're going to go to zone editor. And you can see I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a record. You want to select the type of record, and I'm going to select a text record. That's what we're doing. Now, just to prove the point that something is missing, if I go here and I add the record, right? So this is the record that OpenAI and my ChatGPT account says that I should enter in. Like, what they didn't give me was the value name, right? They didn't give me the name for that, or the zone name. So, but if I try to do that, and okay, that's a required field. So some people will say to enter in the at, and as you can see in here, in this instance, it's not applicable. So I don't want to do that. So now try to figure out, say, should I do just the front portion of this that ChatGPT gives me? Okay, right? If I try that and I'll go back over here and check it, it's not working. Well, of course it's not working because I don't have a value. So I'm trying to guess the value. Okay, so let's try again. Let's take this out and let's add it in without the first part, right? And you don't have to worry about adding the last part. It automatically does that for you. So if I go and hit save, see, it automatically appended your root domain to that. So I added that. So let's go back over here and check it again. Okay, that didn't work. So what you actually have to add in for the zone name is your domain name, right? So if you go without the dot, it's fine. If you put the dot, it's also fine. But if you do it without it, it's going to automatically add it for you, right? So it's smart like that. So I'm going to go ahead now and hit save, right? And now I'm going to go back over to my GPT settings. I'm going to hit uncheck, okay? And there we go. Your domain is successfully verified. So I'm going to click done. So now my domain is registered with my builder profile. All right. Hope this video helps. Go ahead and be sure to give a thumbs up, like, drop a comment below, and share this video with someone who you know this might help. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.